Welcome to our 2-minute recap of this month in cybersecurity. If you like what you see, pay attention to our full video or give us a shout. This is for September of 2020. We discussed a number of stories this month, not the least of which was around the topic of ransomware. We spent a great deal of time talking about various stories, including a story of Tesla and how they had avoided a ransomware attack through one of their employees who was being paid $1 million to plant ransomware. So that was kind of our headline story, but really we kind of broke other stories down to talk about how the mid-market is not only seeing ransomware and some of the morphing that's occurring there, but what are some of the countermeasures you could do to either protect, detect, or respond to events such as ransomware in the mid-market. We also talked about how those incident response plans are actually fit nicely into National Preparedness Month. The idea of being prepared either from a physical perspective or from a cybersecurity perspective fit in nicely with incident response plans. So we ask you to dust off those plans, evaluate if they're modernized, and we have a modernization checklist that we had provided, or if you do have all of those things, then also look into testing routines, where we've facilitated testing routines for many organizations. And the last story we discussed was about authentication and Office 365 credentials and how they're either getting guessed, reused, or phished at alarming rates. And what that's leading to, as we kind of used in our next story, was about a federal agency, how those credentials were used to get inside the organization, look at more information such as VPN credentials, look around at how the organization was structured, install backdoors, and exfiltrate data. And all of this happened at an organization that had a large budget and a lot of resources to protect, and wondering if organizations that have less resources are more at risk. So all of that was said, and check out our full video if you get an opportunity, and or give us a shout. Thanks.